Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today we're going to take a look at a very cool pair of shoes that I had made for me by Paolo Scafora. This was actually something that Costas at the Noble Shoe brought to me. I've actually bought all my shoes from Paolo Scafora from either the Noble Shoe or from Lif and Tongue. So you can see there's some info here. And we're going to go ahead and open it. Now this is going to be a wingtip with a twist. So what I did was I had the wingtip pattern reversed, as you can see, and done very skillfully in the Paolo Scafora way. And you can see the only broguing on the top, the shoe is here. And then it's in this really interesting blue color with a chisel last. And I also did a Vibram sole just to have something different on there as well. So go to the next pair and let's see here. So it was a hard decision to figure out if I wanted to do leather soles on these. You know, these are hand sewn, hand welted, and you know, they call it Goodyear welted, but Scafora, Goodyear welted is actually hand welted in the traditional sense. And so I wanted, and here's some other broguing here, but I wanted to have this in a, I wanted to do something really different. And I don't need the soles and the beautiful artwork on the soles for myself anymore. I already have a few pairs that have that. So really, very excited about this. I feel like these shoes are going to be good for quite a long time and more versatile than just the leather soles.